In Malaysia, statistics show that as of August 2021, there are about several hundred thousand refugees. In order to reach nationwide herd immunity, the government is giving vaccinations to citizens at different stages. Refugees are included. Tzu Chi Free Clinic in Kuala Lumpur is doing its part.
According to UNHCR's data, in Malaysia, there are about 170,000 registered refugees.
From
the date we collected in July, about 40 refugees died of COVID-19, about 30 deaths from COVID in August.
In order to collaborate with the government to reach herd immunity, Tzu Chi Free Clinic in Kuala Lumpur served as a vaccination station to provide vaccination services to refugees 3 days a week.
Why do refugees need vaccine shots? It's because they're also part of Malaysian society. So if they do not get vaccinated, there will be a risk to potentially infect other people. If they keep to be unvaccinated, there will be issues to have COVID variants.
Just as for everybody else, is to prevent them from having serious complications from COVID, and also to save lives, basically.
Because they are refugees, their ID will have two numbers. Some don't have a UN card or a community card, and some use a passport, which bring us passport issues.
Community 卡，然后有时又用 passport 这样子，so 就很多就是 ID 的问题啦。
If you don't follow, then the cert will not come out here in the MySejahtera. So you have to do it.
Many refugees do not speak English or Malaysian, as translators are there to help them out.
Today we'll give you the vaccine, the name called Pfizer.
我们预计今天会打30个，每一天都会打30个。
I feel it's nice, it's good because you are not live alone in the country. You live with society, with people. That the Tzu Chi clinic is very nice, very well, and she give this chance to come to take this vaccine.
From registration to receiving a vaccine shot, it is hoped that vaccine coverage can be increased, comforting citizens and refugees.